Okay, sir.
Yeah, please tell me about yourself.
Hello, sir. My name is
Mm.
Shreya. I'm born and brought up in Patna, Bihar. I have completed my post-graduation last year in chemistry, and I have completed my graduation in chemistry only from Patna Science College. And after that, I have like 10 months of experience. I worked as an academic specialist in Byju's. After that, I started my banking preparation. So apart from my academic qualifications and experience, I have been an active member of NSS in my college days, and I've been volunteering for SPIC MACA for past 3 years. And yeah, so that's all about me.
What is Speak Mackey?
So, SPIC MACA is, it is a society for promotion of Indian classical music and cultural amongst youth. So basically, it is a volunteer, all the volunteers across India, they try to promote Indian heritage, Indian classical art forms, yoga, music, amongst the school, colleges, in basically in students. So we organize events where big artists, they come and they perform for us, and students, they get to see and meet the artist and learn about different art culture, different Indian art forms.
What were you doing in Byju's?
So over there, I was a tutor. It was a tutoring job profile. So we used to conduct sessions. Different batches were allotted to us. I was taking chemistry classes and biology classes for students of ninth and 10th graders. And in addition to that, we also conduct PTMs where we used to interact with parents because we were the only point of contact after they have enrolled. Then I was also a member of the auditing team where we used to audit sessions conducted by different tutors, and based on their hygiene parameters, we used to score them. And yes,
It's the pay packet they were offering you?
so it was a part-time job, and I was getting 25,000 monthly. So yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. Fair enough. Yeah. Now, what is the news about Byju's?
So currently, I'm not very well updated with
Please,
the current
please
news.
update your, please update yourself because you are
Mhm.
attending interview in Kerala Bank, Federal Bank,
Hmm.
and Byju's is Kerala based, and you
Yes.
have to know about it. I think
Okay, sir.
the latest I read about it is that the NCLAT has stopped the insolvency proceedings against Byju's. However,
Okay, sir.
the Supreme Court has removed that restriction, something like that. Please check up about that.
All right, sir. Okay, sir. I'll do that.
Good. You are a chemistry postgraduate.
Yes. Yes, sir.
What is the job role of a probationary officer in Federal Bank?
So basically, as a probationary officer, we have to handle the day-to-day retail operations that include sales and processing of liabilities and asset and liabilities products, then customer acquisition, also the augmentation of parabanking activities. In addition to that, we also have to strive towards achieving our personal targets and also assist the other members of our team, of our branch, in assisting their targets as a whole. And in addition to that, we also have to um, ensure customer satisfaction with, like, we have to personally attend the customers and try to understand their needs, and accordingly we have to present them with the most suitable product that we have, and also cross selling of different products, third party products like insurance, etc. then uh, so like these are the basic things that we have to do.
Very good. Now, are you confident that you will be able to meet the targets given to you? Supposing I want 100 savings accounts in 1 month.
Hmm.
What are the strategies you will adopt for getting it?
All right, sir. So first of all, I'll make use of my personal
In the
contacts.
in the in the real interview, please
Yes, sir.
avoid using all right, sir, and all that. I know here you are doing out of your confidence in me, but real interview में ऐसा नहीं बोलना है.
ठीक है सर.
Hmm.
ओके
Out of
सर, ओके सर.
mannerism, it has come to you, but still doesn't matter. Otherwise, you are a good speaker. Please tell me.
Okay, okay, sir. So, firstly, I would get in touch with my personal contacts, my friends and families. I'll make use of all the social media platforms that I have, like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And I'll and also I can go to the nearby schools and colleges where I can pitch, make them understand, like I make them understand about the need of opening an account and why everyone should have an account. And I'll tell them account that you not only elders, even students, they can also they can also have a minor account. And in colleges also we can pitch. And I can also go for door-to-door canvassing and make them aware of mm, our different banking products. And so, in addition to that, let's say if in a particular area, I'll also try to identify the exact need of that area, and accordingly, I'll get in touch with the local businesses also. So through this, I think I can manage in achieving the targets.
Good, very good. Now, which bank are you having an account?
So Canara Bank.
Can you name 6 public sector banks in our country?
Hmm. So State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, Punjab Sindh Bank, Canara Bank, Indian Bank, Central Bank of India. Yes.
Okay, sufficient. Sufficient. Good, good. You omitted one name, UCO Bank. Where is UCO Bank headquarters?
So it's in Kerala.
UCO Bank.
The UCO Bank, sir, Kolkata. I'm not very
Yeah,
sure.
correct, correct,
It's
correct. Kolkata. Kolkata, correct. Do
okay, sir.
we have any public sector bank having headquarters in Bihar?
No, sir. Not in Bihar as such, but we do have like some small. We do have small finance bank over here, but not a headquarter of any bank as such.
No, but only your RRBs are there. Few
Yes.
RRBs are there. Then. That's right. Good. Now, what is the concept of RRB? Why it has come?
So RRB was introduced. RRB stands for Regional Rural Banks. So the name itself states rural, which means we have to cater to the rural segment, the rural groups, basically the farmers, the low income group people, and those who are, I mean, serving banking, basic banking services to unbanked areas, rural areas, and promoting financial inclusion so that we can make banking facilities available to all the sectors, particularly in the rural areas. And
If
we can
only,
also,
no, no.
uh,
If only you have used the word financial inclusion starting itself, इतना बड़ा लेक्चर आपको जरूरत नहीं है.
okay, sir.
आपने सोच रहे हैं जब जब हम लोग इंटरव्यू में बात कर रहे हैं जो जो की वर्ड्स है इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स है कैच वर्ड्स है उसको पहले बोलना है.
Okay, sir. I'll keep this in mind, sir.
Keep this point in mind, otherwise you are answering very very well, absolutely no problem. Please tell me what is the net profit for the last quarter.
So as per 30th September, it is net profit, sir.
Yeah,
A net profit is 1,057 crores.
very good. What was the total business position of our bank as on 30th September?
So it's 4.99 lakh crores.
Who is the executive director of our bank now? Two people
So
are
it
there.
yes. So Mrs. Shalini Warrior ma'am and Mr. Harsh Dugar.
Correct. Name the present MD and CEO and previous MD and CEO.
So present MD CEO is Mr. Mr. KVS Manian, sir, and Earlier, Mr. Shyam Srinivasan was the
Can
MDC.
you, can you name a few CSR activities done by our bank?
Yeah. So, bank is federal bank is actively involved in CSR activities where in the health sector like one program is Sanjeevani United Against Cancer, where they are creating awareness regarding cancer. The screening is done, and it is in association with Tata Trusts and News 18. Then in
Yeah,
education sector, we have federal bank Hormus Memorial Scholarship for students who are wishing to pursue higher education. Then
good,
in the skill
very good,
development, we also
very,
yes.
very good. You told correctly, and the Sanjeevani, you said you have told awareness only. It should be for treatment also. They give
Okay.
treatment for that also. You should say very nice. Otherwise, you have covered almost all the important points. Best wishes. Do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. So actually, while I was going through the history, I came across the schedule definitions, like schedule banks that come under second schedule of RBI Act 1934. So under that, they have mentioned 5 lakhs. So
Yeah.
5 lakh
No.
is the amount.
Actually, yeah. This scheduled bank is one which is included in the second schedule of the RBI Act 1934. Why it is scheduled bank? Such scheduled banks have certain privileges of raising loan against their government securities with Reserve Bank of India. This is coming under the earlier definition is that they should have a minimum authorized, paid up capital and reserves of rupees 5 lakhs. This was formed in 1949. In those days, 5 lakhs has no relevance today. But however, if any bank wants to now come, they will have to have minimum of 500 crores to start a bank, a commercial bank. Similarly, they must have 100 crore for starting a payment bank. Then only it can be included. Now, Airtel Payment Bank is a scheduled bank. So it is included. India Post Payment Bank is a scheduled bank. Minimum 100 crore is required. Similarly, for starting small finance bank, you require minimum, say, 200 crore. But this 5 lakhs, I think they are having for this cooperative banks, where their investment, their capital may not be in big amounts. Maybe it will be in lakhs only, even now. Supposing even now, when cooperative banks are started, and they may be having low capital only, with that they can be made as a scheduled bank. That is why the definition has come.
Okay, sir. And sir, like, there's one more question that I wanted to ask. You said please go through Byju's. So they'll ask like questions now that why Byju's is performing so bad. Like, what is your take on this? So should I like say that my experience was really nice over there. I actually learned a lot. So should I just say that so my experience was good? I'm not like how to cater to that question,
No,
sir.
no. Your experience, job experience is good. Why the company failed is due to certain other factors which we see in the newspapers only. I don't know. We have never worked with Ravindran, so we don't know. So whatever newspapers say only you have to speak out. They will ask this, but that will be more only if you lay emphasis on Byju's in your
Okay.
introduction. If you just say it as one among the many points and run away, utna importance nahi aega. So you put it in between and end up with something else towards the end.
Okay, sir. And sir, one last question, because sir, I have mentioned that in my intro that I started preparing for banking exam. So I have actually like cleared only the prelim stage. So if they ask me this question, do I need to bring like the soft copy of the mains admit card or anything of that sort for document verification? Because I have mentioned the same thing in the registration form also that I have cleared prelims of this SBI and
No. They will not ask all those things. No. They don't have time to look into all those details.
अच्छा,
Everything,
okay, sir.
and in fact, some of the candidates have told documents could, it's being recorded. Oh, Baba.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.